Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you the process of making these beautiful leaf earrings. I have listed all materials you're gonna need. Let's start. I took a lime green color polymer clay sheet of medium thickness. I'm using a thin metal scraper to texture the clay. Use any thin metal sheet or card you find in your house, or you can texture it using the blunt side of the tissue blade. Place your texturing material perpendicular to the base and slightly press, not too deep, just on the surface. Make closer parallel horizontal lines. Next, vertical lines. This is the finished texture. We can use many bakery fondant tools on clay, like this rose leaf steel cutter. Cut leaves from the base. Peel off the excess clay. Use a long needle to draw veins on the leaves. Marking should be done just on the surface, not too deep, making holes in the clay. Position the needle horizontally to the surface for ease. Imperfections make the leaves look more natural. I'm using pan pastel colors, permanent green, chrome oxide green, and black. You can use soft chalk pastels also. I like to apply these colors with my finger, which allows me to color the clay only on the upper surface. Applying black finally, it will blend later with lighter colors. I'm using an earbud to color the middle part. See how the veins show up after coloring in this way. I'm using a mica powder of emerald green color. Using a soft powder brush, add a little mica just for some shine. See, just a little shine. I took a small sheet of clay, texturing it the same way I did earlier. Making diagonal stripes using a needle. Coloring it the same way with pastel colors. Applying mica powder. Cut the clay with a rectangular clay cutter. This is a precision knife. Remove the top knife part. It is made of steel, so I can use it as a mold base for baking. Lay the clay on the steel part to make a hollow cylindrical bead. Remove the excess. To join the edges, I used a silicone tool and textured the joining. Made 2 beads. For the circular beads, I took a black clay sheet. Cut small circles using a clay cutter. Making each bead from 2 parts. To make the bead, just roll the clay in your palms. To avoid fingerprints, use gloves. I made 4 beads. I'm using steel serving pins for keeping holes inside beads to avoid drilling post baking. Insert the pin like a screw so the bead shape will not be distorted. Use needles or eye pins or head pins if you don't have serving pins. Apply emerald green mica powder on the beads. Bake the beads. I folded the leaf a little bit to shape it. Bake according to the clay brand instructions. These are baked leaves. To remove the hollow bead, loosen it with a needle. I'm using a gloss varnish to seal the mica powder. Coat the surface using a soft brush. Place the hollow beads on the baked base to coat the varnish. After coating, rest it on a cutter for drying. Apply only a thin layer of varnish on the circular beads to prevent dripping and let them dry on the cutters. Wait for at least 30 minutes and recoat the varnish. These are completely dried. Drill the holes for assembly. Use a long eye pin to join all 3 beads. Attaching a S-shaped earring hook. Emerald green beads complemented the look well. One pair of leaves assembled with a simple hook without beads. Gloss varnish gave a waxy, leafy feel. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Please show your support by liking this video.